अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम आपको सैमसंग गैलेक्सी A73 5G के बारे में इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे।
Samsung Galaxy A73 5G. Release 2022, the 22nd of April 181 grams, 7.6 mm thickness Android 12, up to Android 13, One UI 5.1 128 GB, 256 GB. Storage, micro 26.7, 1080 x 2400 pixels 108 MP 2160, P6, 8 GB RAM Snapdragon 778 G5 G5000 mAh LiPo Network Technology GSM, HSPA, LTE, 5G LUNCH announced 2022, the 17th of March status available. Release 2022, the 22nd of April BODY dimensions 163.7 x 76 x 76 mm 6.44 x 300 x 030 in, weight 181 grams 6.38 ounces, SIM single SIM, nano SIM, or hybrid dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby, IP67 dust, water resistant, up to 1 meter for 30 minutes, display type Super AMOLED Plus, 120 Hz, 800 nits, HBM, size 6.7 inches, 108.4 square centimeter, approximately 87.0% screen to body ratio, resolution 1080 x 2400 pixels, 20:9 ratio, approximately 393 ppi density, protection Corning Gorilla Glass 5 platform OS Android 12, upgradable to Android 13, One UI 5.1 chipset Qualcomm SM7325 Snapdragon 778, G5G, 6nm, CPU octa-core, 1 x 2.4 GHz Cortex A78 and 3 x 2.2 GHz Cortex A78 and 4 x 1.9 GHz Cortex A55, GPU Adreno 640 2-liter MEMORY, card slot micro uses shared SIM slot, internal 128 GB 6 GB RAM, 128 GB 8 GB RAM, 256 GB 8 GB RAM. Main camera quad 108 MP, f1.8, wide, PDAF, OIS 12 MP, f2.2, ultra wide, 5 MP, f2.4, macro, 5 MP, f2.4, depth, features LED flash, panorama, HDR video 4K 830 fps, 1080p 830, 60 fps, Euro Eyes selfie camera single 32 MP, f2.2, 26mm, wide, 1.2.8, 0.8 m features HDR video 4K 830 fps, 1080p 830 fps sound loudspeaker yes 3.5mm jack no comms WLAN Wi-Fi 800 2.11a, B, G, N, AC, 6, dual band, Wi-Fi direct Bluetooth 5.0, a 2DP, LE positioning GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, QZSS NFCS, market, region dependent, radio unspecified USB Type-C 20, OTG features sensors fingerprint, under display, optical, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass battery type LiPo 5000 mAh, non-removable charging 25W wired, MISC colors grey, mint, white models SMM A736B, SMM A736B, DS1 Saudi Riyal and 14 Halal W kg, head, SAR EU 1.28W, kg head, 1.42W kg, body, price $396, 431 British pound, and 31 penny, 37,850 rupees.
अब हम इस मॉडल की पिक्चर्स और 3D मॉडल को देखते हैं।